Hello, my sweet and lovely children. Today we are going to learn chapter 13 Kinds of Houses from SST. Children, I hope you are excited to learn this lesson. So, let's start. So, children, now we are going to learn about houses. So, let's start. So, we all live in a house, isn't it? A house is important for us. We feel safe in it, right? Houses keeps us safe from various things. It protects us from heat, cold, rain, storm, animals, and also thieves. So, we all live in a house, and I know we live in a different types of houses. So, this house is very important to keep us safe. Okay? Now, we are going to learn about types of houses. Children, there are mostly two types of houses. They are kacha house and pakka house. Okay? So, in the next slide, we are going to learn more about kacha house and pakka house in details. So, let's start. Now, children, we are going to learn about kacha house. So, let's start. A house which is made up of mud, straw, sticks, bamboo, dry leaves, and even wood is a kacha house. It is found in villages. So you see, children, a kacha house is made up of mud, straw, sticks, bamboo, dry leaves, and wood. And we see this kacha house mostly in villages. Now we are going to learn about pakka house. So what is a pakka house? A house which is made of brick, cement, iron, glass, steel and concrete is a pakka house. It is usually seen in towns and cities. A pakka house can be single-storied, double-storied or multi-storied. Some of the single-storied house is called bungalows. Okay? So a house which is made up of bricks, cement, iron, glass, steel and concrete is a pakka house. Okay? Now we are going to learn about other types of houses. There are some other types of houses. They are igloo, houseboat, tent, stilt house, and caravan. So some other types of houses are the igloo, houseboat, tent, stilt house, and caravan. Now, children, first we are going to learn about igloo. So, what is a igloo? It is a house made of ice and snow. It is found in extremely cold places. People living in them are called Eskimos. So, the house which is made up of ice and snow is called igloo. And the people who live in these igloos are called Eskimos. Okay? Now, we are going to learn about houseboat. So, what is a houseboat? It is a house built on a boat. It has many rooms and is usually seen in Kashmir. So, this kind of house you see, it is made on a boat. It can have many rooms or maybe few rooms, but it is mostly seen in Kashmir. Now we are going to learn about tent. So, a tent is a house made from canvas or thick cloth. This type of house is used mostly by people living in desert or by campers. So, the people who go for camping, maybe when they go to a mountain or some adventurous place or in a forest, they use this tent to live in it. The tent is mostly made of canvas or thick cloth. Okay. Next, we are going to learn is about stilt house. So, this house is mostly built on bamboo pillars. It is found in areas where it rains heavily. So, children, where it rains very much or where it becomes flood like conditions, people make this kind of houses. It is built on bamboo pillars. That is why it is called stilt house. Now we are going to learn about caravan. So what is a caravan? It is a house built on wheels which can be moved from one place to another. So children, some people like to travel from one place to another. So for them, they cannot live in a car, isn't it? Or they don't want to spend money on hotels. That is why they carry their own house with them. This house is built on wheels, which can be moved from place to place. Now, children, I hope you have understood this lesson. Children, I want you to go through the lesson from your book. Okay, and I will see you in the next class. Till then, take care and bye bye.